guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Before we get into the questions, I have to address some things in my recent video. I have like a lot of videos pre-filmed, but I'm gonna upload this one before because what I'm talking about right now is relevant to a video that I just uploaded yesterday. I uploaded a video yesterday talking about another reseller that is a fraud that has scammed a person. When I uploaded the video, I thought it was just one person, but guys, the amount, I'll read you some of the comments that I've gotten, but the amount of DMs and comments and messages that I've gotten, it's crazy. This person's honestly like a Nicole State Jr. It's crazy. After I uploaded that video, some things kind of went down, so I just wanted to talk about them. Like I said, I've gotten many messages from people, which I'll read in a second. But also this particular person, Sydney, her name is Sydney Elle. It's E-L-L-E, not like the letter L. I know some people are confused. But she actually went on Instagram, I think it was. You guys sent me screenshots. You guys are so funny. Yeah, I got a bunch of screenshots, and she went on to say, like, my mom is dying. That's why I haven't been around. She's like, not that I need to explain it to people on the internet. And it's like, okay, everyone has issues. Everyone's going through shit. Whatever you're going through doesn't give you a free pass to be a fucking asshole. It doesn't give you a free pass to scam people, to be shady. It doesn't. If something really is going on with her mom, that's super sad. Yes, there's no denying that. But it doesn't give you the right to be a shit person. Jogging my memory because Nicole State used that excuse also. She said that she had a sick uncle and that's why shit was crazy. But it's like, the messages that I've gotten from people, some have had like recent experiences, but a lot of people, this shit happened like a year or two ago. So what's your excuse for that? And then when she was like, I shouldn't have to explain myself to people on the internet, it's like, actually you do have to explain yourself because these people are giving you their money. You've actually stolen money from them. So you do owe them an explanation. And she claims that she's taken a break from listing, and which I find funny because if you look at her Instagram, she's like actively sourcing. She has like videos like up until like 2 days ago, I think, videos of her sourcing. So it's like, okay. And she's been making plenty of YouTube videos. So I don't know. It's just, it's funny that once she's called out, she's like, oh no, but actually, I have more. Oh yeah, she said she has more than one closet. I'm like, does Poshback know about that, first of all? If you look at her closet, she hasn't had a sale since October, and she claims that that's because her main closet doesn't get sales. Her other closets do. And if she has other closets, why the fuck aren't you telling people the names of those closets? That's shady, which I don't believe. I don't believe she has other closets. I think that that's just a piss poor attempt at a cover up. I'm going to read you guys some of the comments that I've gotten. This person said, I literally had to watch twice. Once you said her name, it all made sense. I asked for a closet review via email and never got a response. She always made it seem like she's so busy and an experienced reseller. Thank God I never actually paid for an item. Okay, so that's obviously a comment from someone that wanted a closet review from her, but she didn't. She's too busy to reply. This person said, I also paid, I don't know if I'm going to show names. I don't know. I'm probably going to blur out the names. I know a couple of you guys said that I can use your names, and a couple of you guys said that I can't. So I think just to be safe, I'm going to blur out the names for everyone. I'll show screenshots of what I'm saying. This person said, I also paid for a closet review years ago and never got anything. I emailed her like 7 times and never got a reply. Scammer. Like, what? Have you gotten your money back? Like, have you tried to get your money back? Because you deserve your money back because she literally stole money from you. Like, oh my gosh. And this is like very, very Nicole State-ish. I purchased one of her reseller boxes last year. I was extremely disappointed, and I see her as a scam artist. I had a feeling I shouldn't buy it, but I went ahead. Huge mistake. If you guys don't know, Nicole State, whole issue with mystery boxes. Guys, just don't buy mystery boxes. Or if you do, just know that they could be shit. Just know that. This person said, I don't know how she sleeps at night. We need to blast this. Then a not so nice word. She's literally scamming people left and right, including me. She scammed me with a mystery box. All items were flawed, holes, stained, white crotch stains. Ew! In the Lululemon shorts and huge hole. Insane. And she blocked me on her Facebook page and wouldn't reply to my emails. Don't buy her $99 shit. She's a scammer. That's what I've noticed. If you have an opposing opinion, then she automatically blocks you. She kicks you out of her group and she blocks you. This person says, oh my God, long time ago I bought a mystery box from her and I just got real shitty clothes. I couldn't make any of the money back. After that, I knew she was full of shit. Guys, this is crazy that a lot of people have been scammed by her and nobody has spoken up. This person said, I know who you're talking about. I was in her group. She blocked me because I stated my opinion on something. I wasn't rude to her. Can't stand her. This person says she sells mystery boxes to her group. I bought one when I first started on Posh. Was super disappointed. This person says, I know it's Sydney. It took her 6 months to send me $200 worth of reseller boxes. The stuff wouldn't sell. Elle. Like Out of Style, Torrid, and Lafayette. What's Lafayette? I don't even know what that is. She promised me another box because those took so long. Asked and never received. I've literally gotten so many comments. I could just keep reading, but I'm not going to. I think you guys get the point. She's not a good person. She's scammed many people and probably many more that like haven't seen my video and like are suffering in silence, can't speak up about it because I don't know, there could be many reasons. So going into my reselling Q&A, I got this question actually on that video, and it says, I'm curious as to why you make videos talking about other people. So I'm not just like, this isn't just like gossip. I'm not just like, you know, this isn't like mean girl shit. This is like warning you guys, warning people in my community to stay away from this person. I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm trying to help you guys not lose money, not get scammed. That's why I make these videos. Not a lot of people will make videos like this. I could think of maybe like one other person. I'm not gonna say his name. Some of you guys said his name and said, oh, he's associated with her. And I don't think you're guilty by association because it's possible to have friends that do shady shit that you're unaware of. So to go after this person, I don't think is right at all. I'm a pretty damn good judge of character, and my like radar hasn't gone off on this person. Like, I don't think you can always say, you know, the guilty by association thing, because again, it's possible you have a friend that's doing shady shit and you're totally unaware of, or maybe you're not like super close with that person. Maybe you're just like acquaintances. Like, it's not, no, the whole guilty by association, don't even, just, no, stop. Yeah, that's why I make these videos, because people won't speak up, or people can't speak up, or maybe they try to speak up, but they don't have a YouTube channel. You know, they have nowhere to say what happened to them. So that's why I make these videos. If I see something going wrong in the reselling community, if someone's being scammed, then I will talk about it. If there's like petty shit, like I don't talk about petty shit. There's tons of petty shit that goes on all the time. Like, oh my gosh, did you see these two fighting on Instagram? It's like, I don't care. Unless the shit that they're doing directly affects other people, and it's not worth it to talk about, I don't think, because it's just petty drama between two people. Shit like this is worth talking about because there have been so many people that have been scammed. I was honestly shocked. Like I said, I had my interaction with her and then this person that posted on Facebook, and then the amount of messages that I got in my DMs, I was honestly shocked. I thought it was like, oh, maybe like 3 or 4 people. No, guys. I could go through my DMs and tell you guys the exact number. It's just crazy. Again, to use the whole excuse like, oh, you know, my mom is dying, which I think it's true. I think it is true. People have said, you know, it's true, which if it is, that's fucking awful. Like, there's no denying that. That sucks. That's horrible. I can't even fucking imagine that. But to use that as an excuse for your actions, like, I don't know. That's not okay. I have rambled so much in this video. I think I'm just going to answer one more question and then we're going to call it good. Hi, Vanessa. I love your videos. Oh, thank you, Jess. Quick question. When do you source for a new season? Okay, so I think I talked about this in a previous video, or maybe it hasn't been uploaded yet. Guys, like I said, I have so many videos that I pre-film. I try to batch film and then schedule uploads. So this one, again, is being bumped to the top of the line because it's got relevant stuff. But yeah, I talked about this in a previous video, I think. I source, like right now, it's January. I am sourcing for spring right now, even though we're like a month into winter. Actually, wait, is spring next? No. I'm like, is spring next month? No, February's next month. My birthday's next month. Yeah, spring's 2 months away. So I am sourcing for spring right now. So yeah, in reselling, you always want to try to stay ahead of the game and source a couple months in advance, I would recommend. I'm gonna go. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the situation. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.